Hi. In this demo, I'll walk you through our insider threat detection system built entirely on AWS using a serverless event-driven architecture. The problem we're solving here is employees or contractors already have legitimate access, so threats hide inside normal looking activity. Our system automatically analyzes user activity logs and flags suspicious behavior the moment those logs arrive. Here's the architecture we have built. As you can see, a user activity log is uploaded to an S3 bucket. The upload automatically triggers a Lambda function which scans each record against three detection rules. Any threat it finds gets stored as an incident in DynamoDB and sent as a real-time email threat or email alert through SNS, while CloudWatch captures all the logs. And I think we can see each of the pieces of the engine one by one. We can start off with the S3 bucket. So the S3 bucket, this is our first entry point over here. As you can see, the insider threat logs bucket that I created. This is where the activity logs get uploaded. The bucket is configured with an event notification, so any new file uploads immediately trigger our detection function, and no particular manual step is required over here. Then let's move on to the Lambda function. Right. Over here in the insider threat detection, if you can see over here, this is the code we have written. So basically, this is the heart of our system where our Lambda function, the insider threat detector, written in Python. This basically, when triggered, it reads the uploaded CSV and checks every row against three rules. First, it would be five failed logins. Second would be file download larger than 500 megabytes. And third would be access outside business hours. That would be before 6 a.m. or after 8 p.m. And as you can see over here, as we scroll down, this is the code tab that I'm currently on. And yeah, yeah. So as you can see, that is the code tab. This is the test. Let's go to configurations over here. We'll check the triggers. So as you can see over here, this is the tab which shows you the triggers. It reads the uploaded CSV and basically checks the rows and uses the rules. And basically, as you can see, the S3 trigger wired up over here, and the function runs under a dedicated IAM role with least privilege permissions to read S3, written to DynamoDB and published to SNS. If a row breaks a rule, then it generates an alert with a unique ID. So every incident is basically preserved. Let's go back here and let's check out DynamoDB for now. Right. Over here, the detected threats are stored and in the Dynamo DB table, we can check that here. Right. And each incident records the user, the reason why it was flagged, the source row, and a timestamp. So basically, this is what we will be seeing in the email notification once we generate it. And for that, we have used the SNS function. And now let's Yeah. So, and the alerts are delivered through the SNS topic, like we mentioned. So, if you go to topics, we can see our insider threat alert over here. And over here, we can see the subscription. We have basically given an endpoint over here, which is this email. So, all the notifications are basically going to get dumped into this email over here. And I think we are good to go. Let's run a live test. So, I'm going to go to my S3 bucket back over here. And over here in the insider threat logs bucket, as you can see, I've already uploaded a file. So I am just gonna go ahead and hit upload. Right. So when that's happening, we can go to our inbox over here and basically wait for the notifications to come as and when the, oh, sorry, I've not clicked upload once. Oh, sorry about that. Just going to upload my file over here and click on upload. Right. Perfect. So we've got the success, the upload success banner over here. And as the engine is basically scanning each row of data, we should see, yeah, new alerts pop up over here. As you can see, we've already started receiving alerts for excessive fail login. Let's check one of them. And as you can see over here, the we can see the user, the reason, the source row, and also the activity that has been generated. So this is basically the whole notification that we've got for failed login. Thank you.